All right, get ready for this. We're about to dive into a partnership that's truly special, one that takes the beloved characters from Pokémon and Pop Mart and fuses them with the groundbreaking predictive power of Fractal AI. Let's explore how this is going to completely change the future of play. So let me ask you a question. What if that 100 yen gachapon toy you just bought, what if it was more than just a toy? What if it was actually a key? A key that could instantly unlock a whole secret digital world of adventure, of learning, and of fun. That's exactly what we're talking about here. Doubling the value, doubling the enjoyment. And the best part? It couldn't be simpler. You know that feeling, right? You get your favorite character, that physical toy you've been waiting for. Then you just scan a unique QR code inside, and boom, you've instantly connected that physical experience to a massive digital one. For the same 100 yen, you get twice the fun. It's a totally seamless experience.
Now, what we're creating here isn't just a new kind of product. It's the beginning of a whole new category. This is our vision for a new world of play, something we call predictive entertainment.
So what is predictive entertainment? Well, think of it as a strategic alliance, an epic team-up between Fractal AI, Nintendo's Pokémon, and Pop Mart. We're blending our powerful AI predictive analytics with the thrill of gamified surprises and the deep love people have for collectible culture. The result? The Pokémon x Fractal AI x Pop Mart Digital Gachapon. And this vision, well, it's not just a cool idea. It's built on a rock-solid foundation of world-changing science, a technology with a truly powerful legacy of innovation. You know, the story of this AI is actually pretty surprising. It all started with teaching computers to understand our voices. Back in the 80s, brilliant scientists at IBM Labs treated speech as a noisy signal that could be decoded. Later, some of those very same scientists applied that exact same thinking to the noise of the financial markets, with absolutely legendary results. At the same time, pioneers like Geoffrey Hinton were developing the neural nets that now power AI like ChatGPT. Fractal AI is the next step in that legacy, bringing it all together. And this is a really simple way to think about it. Let's be clear, without Geoffrey Hinton's breakthroughs to predict the next word, there would be no OpenAI, no ChatGPT. Our AI works on a very similar principle. It sifts through all the complex noise of financial data to predict the next market move. Look, what Professor Jim Simons and his team did was extraordinary. They proved that this was possible, setting the absolute gold standard. So our mission is to take that same power, that same incredible insight, and extend it to everyone, making it accessible, educational, and fun for a new generation so they can thrive in our AI-driven world. So we have this unbelievably powerful technology. But how do we make it fun? How do we turn it into an engaging, educational adventure? Well, this is where Gachapon meets global markets. It all starts with a story. Just imagine Pikachu and his Pop Mart friends going on a trip around the world. To have the best time, they'll need to exchange currencies. You know, swapping things like US dollars for Japanese yen, or maybe Australian dollars for yen. Now that can be pretty tricky stuff, right? But what if they had a friend along for the journey? A friendly AI guide that acts as their helper, empowering them to make smart choices and save money, so they can enjoy their trip even more. The game itself is super simple. Our AI helps you predict a market move. If the prediction is correct, you win. And we're not just talking about points. You win bigger, rarer, and more valuable Gachapon and Pop Mart prizes, both physical collectibles and brand new digital ones. And this is the truly amazing part. While you're playing, you're also learning. Kids and young adults will start to understand real-world economics. They'll follow major indices like the Nikkei 225 and the Shanghai Index. They'll even get to know stocks from companies they love, like Nintendo, Sony, and Nvidia. It makes learning about the global economy part of the adventure. And through this entire experience, they learn one of the most powerful financial lessons there is, that the secret to achieving really big returns often starts incredibly small. See, our AI is designed to aim for a tiny, consistent return each day, just 0.16%. I mean, that sounds like almost nothing, right? But that is the magic of compounding. That tiny daily gain, when it builds on itself day after day, grows into an incredible 66% return over the year. We're teaching kids the power of saving, investing, and compounding from a young age, building healthy financial habits that will last a lifetime. That's a real superpower. Okay, so we have an amazing experience for users. Let's switch gears and talk about why this is also a huge business opportunity, a true partnership for growth. The market potential here is absolutely massive.
We're not just entering one space, we're tapping into several high-growth markets at once. You've got the $10 billion gachapon market, the huge pop culture collectible space, and we're creating an entirely new category in AI predictive entertainment. When you add it all up, the total addressable market is over $29 billion US.
And our business model is a true win-win. It's a licensing partnership. Fractal AI licenses these incredible, iconic characters. In return, our partners can license our powerful AI engine to create brand new products and enter new markets. Together, we'll expand across Japan, China, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Australia, and New Zealand, with high growth and high profit margins for everyone involved.
Now, to make this launch a massive success, we are raising $3.5 million, and as you can see, we have a very clear strategic plan for this capital. A big piece goes to our core AI infrastructure, the same engine trusted by financial giants like HSBC and UBS. The rest will secure our partnerships and licensing and fund a major marketing launch to make sure we hit the ground running.
We really believe this is more than just a business proposal. This is an invitation to join the AI revolution and to build the future of consumer culture right alongside us.
What we're creating here completely transforms the idea of collecting. It's no longer about a static toy sitting on a shelf. It becomes a live, dynamic, data-enhanced, emotional experience. This is the ultimate bridge between the physical and digital worlds of play. With the characters the world loves, from Pokémon, the incredible creative genius of Pop Mart, and the predictive power of Fractal AI, we can pioneer an entirely new global genre. Let's build the next wave of AI-driven culture together. Thank you.